Kyegegwa district kurgebora yabarkaho ekatorana nk'emwari za district eshemeye kutebwa buzora maisho okurebeka ngu endwara egi tiyabarkaho. Obwahati district eine abantu bana abataireho amaisho kandi aba bakaruga omu ihanga erya Congo esabiti ibiri zihingwire.
Twine habwokuba kyegegwa engeri ngambire tuli district ekuraza ensuhuki zino hariho obuzi kugarukayo. Hati saaha twine abantu bana tuliyo ntubahondera ababiri bakaruga Congo bakaba bagenzere kuziika mutahe wabo titukumanya akayitu waki baitati bakahikekiro kya musanju kandi twine kubahondera ebiro abiri na kimu batayoleke burorwa then ntumanya batakoleki batayiheyo burwaire.
Kyegegwa district eizire netunga oburwaire obu nko mwaka gwe 2018 2022 2025 kandi habweki abebyamagara bagira ngu baine kutaha amaani maingi.
Kyegegwa tuguli murundi gwo kubanza kugiraho obulwaire bwa Ebola tukagira obulwaire bwa Ebola mwaka gwe 2018 twagira obulwaire bwa Ebola umwaka gwe 2022 cyangwa twagira obulwaire bwa Ebola 2025. So orukwato runo ruriyo nirutema imihanda kurora kiki ekisemere kukorwa obu tuliyo ntwetekaniriza kakuba kibaho tukatunga omuntu anyakwine obulwaire buno.
Amashomero, amakanisa, obutare hamwe na n'emyanya erikwerundandamu abantu baingi bashaziremu kutaho obwoma oburikupima obutagati bw'omubiri kandi n'abantu nibahaburwa okwerinda kuhika bagenzi baabo.
Amasomero nigakyasomesa, amaramizo nigakyasaba kwihaho abantu abebembezi b'ebicweka baine kuhondera amateeka agakuragirwa nukwo abantu bagiyeyo batayihayo burwaire.
Omuntu weena ngu kwarikuba aine Ebola aine obumanyiso nk'okumera oruhere obutagati bwingi bw'omubiri kandi kukirikurengana nareeta eshagama omu bicweka by'omubiri nk'omu kanwa, omu nyindo hamwe na n'omu bicweka ebindi. Abebyamagara nibagira ngu nobu barabe bataireho agaabo hakiriho ebikirikuburamu hamwe na n'okumanyisa abantu aha burwaire obu.
Which we are trying to very soon in the near future to rectify. So we started this as we look at the other government airtime, we can tentatively be using the two, that is Kiaka South and Brighton.
Pillar teams, because he mentioned the pillar heads. Pillar heads can be co-chaired at EDC. But when you say surveillance, it has about 5-6 sub-pillars under it. And the two people cannot be able to man all those sub-pillars. So I expect him later on to share kind of names of different sub-pillar under a pillar.
There will be some level of heightened, I would say heightened risk assessment and control in case of any suspects. The other thing is, I think Dr. Fremont mentioned is as we go forward, the major pillars that now need to be very fully active is the risk communication, community engagement.
Gashakotiria Mureba Paul.